Welcome back to Josh's Lazy Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to meal prep for an entire week without eating the same thing over again in less than 12 minutes. So we're going to piggyback off of what we talked about last time, where you meal prep the main ingredient first. In this situation, it is beef. See the magical container of beef. And I'm going to show you a different meal you can do with this. Something I really enjoy doing is also meal prepping a bunch of this protein pasta. This stuff is delicious, it's high in protein, and it keeps very well. So I'll meal prep about I'll actually weigh it out. I'll meal prep about 3-4 servings of this, put it in a container, and then I'll just pull out what I need whenever I'm making my meals. So that way, as long as I eat the whole container, then I know that I'm getting all of my servings in, and it doesn't really matter if I have a little bit more some days or a little bit less some days. It just saves a lot of time. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this. First things first, I'm going to make sure that I have put the amount of pasta I want in here for this meal. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to then follow it up with some of this wonderful ragu chunky mushroom sauce. I don't know. Whatever random sauce I grab. It's got 30% of your daily vegetables though. Heck yeah. So dump some of them there. I try to keep it as close to an actual serving as I can. I eyeball it, so it's not perfect, but I do try to keep it close to the actual servings because this stuff can have a decent amount of sugar in it, but I like it, so sometimes I go ham. And then I will pull the amount of beef I want in there. Again, I meal prep 3 pounds. I want to eat 3 pounds in the week, so I know that this is going to be enough for the full week. So it doesn't really matter how much I put in here, so I'm just going to eyeball it, put it in there. Throw some Italian seasoning up in there, and then bada boom, bada bang, with some movie magic, it will go from this to this. So now I have everything I want in here. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for a couple minutes, but I'm not done there. I like to get as much protein as possible. So I'm going to throw in some of this amazing cottage cheese. I know what you're thinking. That sounds amazing. I can't believe I haven't tried that before. You're right. It is amazing. So I'm going to put some cottage cheese in here, store it all up, and then I'm going to have an amazing meal that has about 60 to 70 grams of protein, depending on the serving size that you are eating. Definitely recommend this meal. Super easy. All you have to do is make sure you have the main ingredients prepared and you can put this together in no time. Again, if you didn't catch my other videos talking about how you can do all kinds of different stuff by just meal prepping the main source ingredient, then definitely check that out in the previous videos. But hopefully this helped you out. If it did, leave a comment below and let me know what different kind of meal prep ideas that you have, and give me a thumbs up if you are actually going to try this out, because it really is good. It's really easy to make, and this protein pasta is delicious. And it has 11 vitamins and minerals. Them vitamins and minerals with no gum, believe it or not. Well, anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this. Stay dedicated.